3Rivers Archery, your longbow and recurve experts.
Hi, today we're talking about the Bearpaw Chapman Takedown Recurve. Now, being a takedown recurve, it breaks down small. What we have here is the box for it, and we're going to do an unboxing so you see what you get in the box when you buy a Bearpaw Chapman recurve. Cardboard box, standard how we have them here. Open it up, and what we see, everything comes in a sleeve. So we have the riser sleeve, 2 limbs and individual sleeves, Bearpaw whisper string, rest material, Allen wrench for putting it together, and a card that links you to the owner's manual. So don't need the box. Owner's manual, you scan the card there. We also have this linked on our website, so any way you need to get access to it, brace height, any information for it. So let's unbox it here. So the string, Bearpaw whisper string, comes with a knock point in there, so it's nice, not something you have to add extra. Still need to set it, but you have it included. Allen wrench is pretty standard, but great tool to have. Rest material, it is currently here a calf hair material, and so calf hair is very slick and smooth, but it comes with a template. So you use this template to etch out on the back there and cut out your own rest. And then you can apply that rest to the riser. Let's start with the limbs. So the limbs, it's a maple core with black fiberglass, so performance that you'd be very comfortable with a lot of other bows in the same caliber. Reinforced tips, so you can use different high-performance string materials, play around with it, see what works for you. And the connection system is the standard dual pin, which gives a little bit nicer alignment, and then limb bolt. The case, it's kind of a stretchy material. It's very soft. Gives it a really high-class feel to it, and great print on it. So the riser here, like I said, dual alignment pins, so make sure that limb sits on there straight and snug. Has felt padding, give it a little bit extra care there. Keep it quiet. We have a radius rest here. It's cut past center, about a 1/16 of an inch. So with the rest material, you're bringing it back to center with it. We have some very pretty woods here. I might get this pronounced wrong, but Amazaquay, I believe. And then we have micarta and ash is the accent strip. Really pretty riser. Then the limbs, comes standard printing on there. This is a 58-inch recurve, and 58 is a great length for those wanting a shorter recurve, not getting too long. Fits well in blinds, out of tree stands. If you have a shorter draw, 28 and under, you're going to be utilizing a lot of the limbs with it. And then being a takedown, you can get different sets of limbs to match with your riser. So you can have a lighter weight for target archery, just shooting around. But if you get to hunting season in that, and you want to jump up there to be able to, feel whatever you need for your hunting season, easy enough to pop the limbs off, put new ones on. It's a standard grip. The finish on it is a matte finish, so it's not very glossy. Pictures don't do it justice for the kind of character and grain that you get in there. The accent strip is a gorgeous dark wood there. Really sets it off nicely. And just a really good looking bow. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go up in the range, putting on the shooting machine. We'll shoot a couple arrows out of it and show you the speeds that you get. That way you can tell performance. So let's go do that. Okay, we're on the range, and I have a Chapman 40-pound bow on the shooting machine. We checked it on our scale. It's exactly 40 pounds at 28 inches, which we have set that we're going to draw it to. And we've got 2 arrows, both 700 spine. But we have a Warrior, which comes out to 324 grains, so to represent our 8 grains per pound to pull. And then a traditional only bear bow, which comes in at 408 grains, so to represent our 10 pounds per pull. So this is a great target arrow, and this is a great hunting arrow weight-wise. So we're going to pull the bow back and do 3 shots on each. We'll start with the hunting weight, and then we'll do the target weight. And we'll just do a repetition here. See how they go. All right, our first shot, 181 feet per second. Second shot, 180 feet per second. Third shot, 182 feet per second. All right, 180 to 182 feet per second we got on those 3 shots, so real consistent there. Let's see what happens when we go down to 8 grains per pound of pull. First shot, 195 feet per second. Second shot, duplicate, 195 feet per second. Third shot, 194 feet per second. 195 feet per second with the 8 grains per pound of pull, a jump of about 15 feet per second going on that different grain weight. So that's the Chapman. Excellent bow as we see, really good performance. Great length for those of kind of the standard draw length or a little bit shorter. You're going to utilize most of the limbs, and as you can see, get a lot of performance out of it. If you have any comments or questions about the Chapman, please put them below and we'll be happy to answer them. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you really like the video, please hit that share button to share with your friends and family. I'm Jonathan Karch with 3Rivers Archery. Thanks for watching.